कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा. Thank you, all of you. In quietly, I hope everyone said the prayer at your home. So first of all, I hope everyone is ready with your project. I saw all of your projects, what you have sent on your WhatsApp group. It was really wonderful, beautiful. You have colored, and many of you are trying to write in Hindi. That was really amazing. You are trying to write in Hindi. You are learning some new language. Very nice. Superb children. I'm really very happy with your project and the way you are started writing in Hindi. Very good. And one more thing, I saw one video yesterday. I think it's in 2D. Some Udishana, the girl. She was really very wonderfully said all the words what we have learned. So very good. Just do the practice for the same, and it will be easy when we will start our book. When we will start our lessons, it will be very easy if you are practicing every day. Very good, children. I'm very happy, super duper happy with your project. And this is a big clap to all of you. Thank you so much. Now let everyone be ready with your project and unmute only your videos. Only your video. Unmute only your video and I will see your project live. Very good, Akash, 2D, I can see. Everyone, unmute only your video. I want to check all of you. Be ready with your project quickly. I'm counting 10. I want everyone unmute only your video and show me your project. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and come on everyone, on your video, quickly. Unmute your video and show me your project. Yes, many of you unmuting, very good. Very nice, yes. Rainbow coloring, very good. I can see it loading. Very nice, Nitya Sai, RS. Very good, Ojasvi, 2D. Very good. Many of you are, yes, I can see. Very good. Superb children, superb. And who has not submitted, today itself you have to submit. Okay? This is a practice for you. This is your creativity. I said unmute only video. Please don't unmute your speaker, children. Please check your speaker in mute only. Yes. Quickly show me your project. Wow, such a wonderfully you have colored. Very nice. I can see many of your videos. Very good. Super.
Ma'am, Bhavadani. Ma'am, Bhavadani, ma'am.
I can't hear your voice clearly. Okay, fine. So now I'm going to call.
Ma'am,
Children, if everyone started talking continuously, voice breaking. If you have any important, you can message in your chat box, or else last 5 minutes I will give you.
ma'am, Bhavadani, ma'am. I'm Sanjana.
Yes, I know. I can see your names and your paintings. Very nice. And I have seen all the paintings on your WhatsApp group. Very good. Super children. So quickly unmute your video. Okay, quickly unmute. I'm counting 10. Everyone quickly unmute your video. Otherwise voice will break a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Everyone, please mute everyone, Girisha ma'am. Please. Yes. Thank you so much, children who have still unmuted video. Please mute your video. And let's revise of again. So don't touch your screen. I'm going to on my screen now. Here I have many colored bowls. I have many colored bowls. Let's I'm going to say the color name. Listen carefully. Orange. Orange bowl. We say narangi. Narangi. Red bowl. Lal. Lal. For bowl we say katora. Lal. Green bowl. Hara katora. Hara. Narangi. Lal. Hara. This is purple bowl. Bangani. Purple bowl. Bangani. For yellow bowl, we say peela katora. Peela. And for blue, we say neela katora. Neela. And here pink, we say gulabi. For pink, we say gulabi. And you can see this is a white color. For white color, we say safed. Safed. And you can see in that white color box, I have two colors of raisins. One is brown. For brown, we say bura. And one is black. That we say kala. These raisins are the small grapes. So we can say kishmish. Kishmish. Very funny and
Ma'am, black is kala, ma'am.
munakka, manuka. Children, please mute yourself. Seema ma'am, my voice is clear.
Ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am. Okay, thank you. Okay. So
yes, ma'am. Yes, visible. Okay.
So I
Your
have
voice
here
is
two
break-
colors resin.
Little bit.
One is brown.
Hello, Suprita ma'am. Little bit voice
Voice
breaking.
break हो रहा है क्या?
हाँ, थोड़ा थोड़ा ब्रेक हो रहा है. हल्का सा नेटवर्क में आ जाइए. थोड़ा सा चेंज कर दो प्लीज.
Okay, fine. Okay, so listen children, now it's clear. Now it's clear, Seema ma'am.
Now clear.
Seema,
Sure. Yeah, continue.
Okay,
Continue.
thank you. Okay, so you can see there are two colors of resins I have. One is brown and one is black. The small resins we say kishmish. There are many names, munakka, manuka, but that is for the big grape resins. This is a small grape resin, so you can say kishmish. Very funniest word, but now we have to focus on color name. So for brown, we say bhura. For brown, we say bhura, and for black, we say kala. Bhura kishmish, kala kishmish. Very funniest word. So, children, now, I'm going to stop my video now. So just practice the colors name, and then today I'm going to revise you how to introduce yourself in Hindi once, and then I will give you the activity of the day. Yes, children, we have learned how to introduce yourself in Hindi. You have to tell your name and which grade you are studying. The two sentences we have learned. So I'm repeating with the example. It's suppose the boy is introducing. If the boy name is Ram, how he will introduce? Listen carefully because the activity of the same which I'm telling now. So listen carefully. If the boy name is Ram, he will introduce himself. Mera naam राम है, मेरा नाम राम है, मैं दूसरी कक्षा में पढ़ता हूँ, पढ़ता हूँ. Verb will change with girl and
Ma'am.
boy name. With the boy name, we
Suprita
will
ma'am.
say padhta. Yes, yes, Seema ma'am.
Suprita ma'am, your voice is not clear. Seema ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Clear, ma'am, clear.
Okay.
Seema ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Tell me,
Ma'am,
please. Yes, ma'am.
just
Kirja
check
ma'am.
your
Voice clear, ma'am. Suprita ma'am, voice clear now.
Suprita ma'am, voice is not hearing ma'am.
You are
Seema,
not
ma'am.
hearing. Yes, ma'am. I'm
Geetika
speaking,
you
ma'am.
can check your check network, because if parents, if my voice is breaking, please write in chat box if it is a breaking. Otherwise, it's clear. Then
No.
yes, please.
Voice is clear. Suprita ma'am, your voice is so clear. Continue.
Okay. Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Seema ma'am.
Okay.
So, introducing yourself, a boy or girl, it will change with the verb. If the boy name, he will say, मेरा नाम राम है, मैं दूसरी कक्षा में पढ़ता हूँ. Or if the girl name is suppose Sita, how she will introduce? मेरा नाम सीता है, मैं दूसरी कक्षा में पढ़ती हूँ. So this is only the difference between the verb पढ़ता हूँ and पढ़ती हूँ with the boy and girl name. Other things are completely same. So children, what is the activity of the day? You have to introduce yourself in Hindi, make a small video and send it on your WhatsApp group. I'm repeating. You have to introduce yourself in Hindi with the 2 sentences. Make a small video of that and send it on your WhatsApp group. I'm going to save all the WhatsApp projects and your videos with me. Okay, so do it nicely with the correct word. I will send a audio of the introduction on your WhatsApp group. The example of introduction, I will send one audio.
Girls or boys are coming only cannot come.
Yes, Soumya, do you have any doubt here? Yes. Okay, so I will send the audio with one example, practice every day. Then we will add one sentence. Thank you so much. Now, last time we have learned Ka Varga and Cha Varga Barakhadi. Now we are going to learn the Ta Varga Barakhadi. So, and the classwork notes I will send tomorrow. So I hope everyone finished your class note till the Cha Varga Barakhadi. The same way we are giving matra to all the Vyanjan letter, how we have given Ka Varga and Cha Varga, the same way. There is only difference in letter R. We'll let you know. See, now Ta Varga Barakhadi, the first row completely with a sword. We all know the sword of A, I, U, U, Ri, A, I, O, Au, Aha. And the second row of complete matra sign, we have already learned this. There is no any matra sign. A, one standing line. I, from left side. E, from right side. U, left from down towards left. U, down towards right. Ri, one small curve down. A, one balloon up. I, two balloons up. O, one balloon up with one standing line. Au, two balloons up with one standing line. One bindu. And aha, two dots nearby. So now we have to join the same matra with the letter T. Learn T में A की T में A T. त में आ की मात्रा टा, त में छोटी ई की मात्रा टी, त में बड़ी ई की मात्रा टी, त में छोटी ऊ की मात्रा टू, त में बड़ी ऊ की मात्रा टू, त मेरी की मात्रा ट्र, त में ए की मात्रा टे, त में आई की मात्रा टाई, त में ओ की मात्रा टो, त में औ की मात्रा टौ, त में अं की मात्रा टम, and त में आह की मात्रा taha. So in a t varga there are 5 letters: t, th, d, dh, n. The next letter th. Same type we are giving. We are going to give the matra sign for the th also. While saying th, you have to add little bit th sound and pronounce. Th, th, th में a th, th में आ की मात्रा था, थ में छोटी ई की मात्रा थी, थ में बड़ी ई की मात्रा थी, थ में छोटी ऊ की मात्रा थू, थ में बड़ी ऊ की मात्रा थू, थ में री की मात्रा थे, थ में ए की मात्रा थे, थ में आई की मात्रा थई, थ में ओ की मात्रा थो, थ में औ की मात्रा थौ, थ में अं की मात्रा थम, थ में आह की मात्रा thaha. So this is same. We have given the matra signs. The next letter is the, th, the. So the में a, the में आ की मात्रा da, the में ई की मात्रा डी, the में ई की मात्रा डी, the में ऊ की मात्रा डू, the में ऊ की मात्रा डू, the में री की मात्रा ड्री, द में ए की मात्रा दे, द में आई की मात्रा डाई, द में ओ की मात्रा दो, द में औ की मात्रा दाउ, द में अम की मात्रा दम, द में आ की मात्रा दहा. The fourth letter is th. Add little bit of sound. The same matra sign we are giving, how we are giving for the k varga, ch varga and all other vowels. The same way. So the fourth letter is th. थ, थ में अ थ, थ में आ की मात्रा धा, थ में छोटी ई की मात्रा थी, थ में बड़ी ई की मात्रा थी, थ में छोटी ऊ की मात्रा ढू, थ में बड़ी ऊ की मात्रा ढू, थ में री की मात्रा ढ, थ में ए की मात्रा धे, थ में आई की मात्रा ढाई, ध में ओ की मात्रा धो, ध में औ की मात्रा ढाउ, ध में अम की मात्रा धम, ध में आ की मात्रा dhaha. So children, in ta varga there are 5 letters: ta, tha, da, dha, and the last one is na. It come from your nose. The sound come from your nose. The letter na, there is no any beginning word. It will come in end of the letter or in between, but it will come with matra sound sign. For example, veena, pani, these kind of words, it will come with the matra. So we are going to write Barakhadi of letter na also. So we will see how to write Barakhadi of na after this 4 letters. So here the ta Barakhadi, we will one practice with the poem. So it will be really easy to remember the sound. Ta, ti, ti, tu, tu, tr, e, tai, to, tau, tam, taha. Now repeat after me. Ta, ta, ti, ti, tu, tu, tr, e, tai, to, tau, tam, taha. Th. In way we are going to go th, tha, ti, ti, tu, tu, tr, e, thai, to, tau, tam, taha. Th, tha, ti, ti, tu, tu, tr, the, thai, to, thau, thum, tha. Letter is the dee dee do do do. I do do dum ha. The da di di do do do. They die do do dum da. Next one is the. Next one is the da di 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 do do do. They die do do dum dum. The ha thi thi do do do. He thai thu thâu thum tha. And one is no Marathadi. No, this letter, there is no any beginning word, but it will come end or middle of the letter. So no, it sound come from your nose. No, no, ni, no, no, ni, nai, mo, now, num, na, no, na, ni, no, rung, ni, nai, no, now, num, na. So this is the thing to send you on your WhatsApp. T से टमाटर, थ से ठठेरा, ड से डमरू, ढ से ढक्कन. You have learned this.
Ma'am, shall I drink the water?
Annagi, once
Ma'am,
again.
shall I drink water?
Siva ma'am, can you hear? The voice is breaking. Say once again, dear. Hello.
Yes, once again tell me please. Who's asking the question, dear? Ask once again.
Okay, fine. So we have learned
Okay, ma'am.
this letter. Ch से टमाटर, ठ से ठेरा, ड से डमरू, ढ से ढक्कन. Now the same thing we have to join with the varga. Okay, the same way how we have make with the ta varga, the same thing, the same matra sign we are joining with the ta, the, and na. So the first line with the word we have moved that now. Second line with the matra sign. I hope everyone is practicing of word and sentence because next week you have your. So the next thing is the varga. The first letter is ta. Ta में a, ta. Ta में a, ta. Ta में e, ti. Ta में e, ti. Ta में u, tu. Ta में u, tu. Ta में ri, pri. Ta में e, te. Ta में ai, tai. Ta में o, to. Au, tau. Ta में tam. Ta में aha, taha. Same thing you have to use the matra sign. After ta, let us th. Additive with her sound and pronounce. Th. Th में a. Th. Th में a. Tha. Th में e. Thi. Th में e. Thi. Th में u. Tu. Th में u. Tu. Th में ri. Ri. Th में e. He. Th में ai. Thai. Th में o. Ho. Th में au. Thum. Th में thum. And th में aha. Thaha. Same matras and we have got also the same thing for the next letter. Letter is the, the. So the में a, the. So the में a की मात्रा da. The में e की मात्रा di. The में e की मात्रा दी, द में ऊ की मात्रा दू, द में ऊ की मात्रा दू, द में री की मात्रा री, द में ए की मात्रा दे, द में आई की मात्रा दई, द में ओ की मात्रा दो, द में औ की मात्रा दौ, द में अम की मात्रा तम, द में आह की मात्रा ताहा. You can see children, we have joined the same matras and with all the mentions. I will send this video also so you can practice at home. The next letter is th. Add little bit her sound and the noun th. थ में अ, थ में आ की मात्रा था, थ में छोटी ई की मात्रा धी, थ में बड़ी ई की मात्रा धी, थ में छोटी ऊ की मात्रा धू, थ में बड़ी ऊ की मात्रा धू, थ में री की मात्रा धी, थ में ए की मात्रा धे, थ में आई की मात्रा धई, थ में ओ की मात्रा धो, थ में औ की मात्रा थौ, थ में थम, थ में आ की मात्रा धा. And the last letter of the word of न. न में अ, न में आ ना, न में छोटी ई की मात्रा नी, न में बड़ी ई की मात्रा नी, न में छोटी ई की मात्रा नू, न में बड़ी ऊ की मात्रा ऊ, न में वी की मात्रा री, न में ए की मात्रा ने, न में आई की मात्रा नई, न में ओ की मात्रा नो, न में औ की मात्रा नौ, न में अम की मात्रा नम, and न में आ की मात्रा nah. So this is the way you have to practice every day. Listen the video and practice and practice both. So it will be easy to remember all these letter sounds. Like so, ta, ti, ti, tu, tu, tru, te, tai, ti, to, tau, tam, taha, ta, ta, ti, ti, tu, tu, tru, te, tai, to, tam, tam, taha. The next step is tha, 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 ti, ti, tu, tu, tru, te, tai, to, tau, tu, tam, taha. Tha, tha, ti, ti, tu, 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 tru, te, tai, to, tau, tam, taha. Next one is the, da, di, do, do, de, dai, do, dau, dam, taha. The, da, di, du, du, dru, de, dai, do, dau, dam, daha. The next letter is th. Add little bit of sound and pronounce th, tha, ti, ti, thu, thu, tu, de, dai, do, dau, dam, daha. धा, धी, धी, धु, धु, ध्रु, हे, धै, धो, धौ, धम, धाहा. Like this. And the last letter is no, no, na, ni, nu, nu, nru, ne, nai, no, nau, nam, naha. Na, na, ni, nu, nru, ne, nai, no, nau, nam, naha. Like this, you have to practice. I'll be given English spelling. For t and t, English spellings are same. For Barakhadi, we have given little bit different, so you can see easily and you can practice. So t varga and t varga English spelling little bit we have differed, so it will be easy for you. You shall learn all these things. So say tarboot, watermelon. से thara, that is glass. The से dabat. This is the new thing. Dabat is ink pot. The olden days, we have write with the feather, and they are putting into the ink, and they are started. They start to write. So, dabat is ink pot. ध से धनुष, bow, and न से null, tap. So this is this two varga we have to keep, cha varga and ka varga. Other things we will learn next session. Now, children, if you have any doubt, you can ask. 2 minutes after that, we will have our online test 2 with the Venson and ka varga Barakari. If you have any doubts, I will give you 2 minutes. If you have anything, you can ask or you can chat. Okay, I hope there is any doubt. Okay, children, now listen. If you are sitting with the parents, please help them to open the link which I am going to send in the chat box. And if children you are sitting alone, listen carefully. Open your chat box, and there I am going to send one link. Click on that link.
All
You can
video
get
ma'am,
one.
we cannot hear, ma'am. Ma'am, video is not visible, ma'am.
No, video. I have stopped my video, dear. Okay. So I will send one link in your chat box. Click on that link. You have to write your name in English, select your grade and section, and there are 15 questions for you. This time also we have written the questions in English as well as in Hindi. Now this time I will not going to read the options. I'm going to read only questions. You have to select the correct option and submit. You can see your
Ma'am.
score also.
All are in the mute, ma'am. We cannot hear your voice, ma'am.
Please dear mute yourself. I will send the link. Okay? Just 1 minute. I'm going to send the link now. After you are getting link, you just click on that link and fill your name and your section. Then I will read the questions for you. And practice this revision worksheet and last revision worksheet what we have done for the assessment 1. I have sent the link. Quickly click on that link and open the page. In that page, you have to write your name and select your grade and section. And the same link I will forward to your WhatsApp group who all are not unable to open. You just check your WhatsApp group after this session and complete it and send it before 12 o'clock. Write your name, your grade and section. I also have shared the same link on the screen. So first, you have to write your name. After that, you have to select your grade and section. I hope everyone has completed first 2 things. Seema ma'am,
Yes.
Seema ma'am.
Yes, tell me. Yes, आवाज आ रही है?
Chat box नहीं देख सकती अगर if someone is asking the date.
हाँ,
I can't see the chat box now. If they
देख रही
are
हूँ.
asking one more link, you just copy that link and paste it there. And if there is
Okay.
any doubt in chat box, please clarify because I can't see. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, so the first question, children, I'm going to read. First question. ऊष्मा व्यंजन का पहला अक्षर क्या है? ऊष्मा व्यंजन का पहला अक्षर क्या है? What is the first letter of ऊष्मा व्यंजन? There are 3 options. Select the correct one. Try to read the options. If you are practicing reading the Vyanjan, you can get to know. And everyday practice these two worksheets for swer and Vyanjan. Second question, व्यंजन में कितने वर्ग होते हैं? व्यंजन में कितने वर्ग होते हैं? How many varga are there in व्यंजन? We have learned all the varga. How many varga? You just count and select the correct option given below. The third question, नीचे दिया गया चित्र का पहला अक्षर पहचानिए. Identify the first letter of the picture given below. The rabbit picture, you have to identify the first letter. What we say in Hindi. We have given 3 options. Select the correct one. Fourth question. क वर्ग का सही क्रम क्या है? What is the correct sequence of क वर्ग? There are 5 letters and you have to guess the correct sequence of क वर्ग. There are 3 options. Select correct one. Question number 5. संयुक्त व्यंजन कितने व्यंजनों से मिलकर बनता है? How many व्यंजन will combine to form संयुक्त व्यंजन? There are 4 संयुक्त व्यंजन. Last we have learned. So how many व्यंजन combine to get संयुक्त व्यंजन? How many व्यंजन we have to combine to make a संयुक्त व्यंजन? There are 3 options. Choose the correct one. Question number 6. नीचे दिया गया चित्र का पहला अक्षर पहचानिए. Identify the first letter of the picture given below. The flag picture, what we say in Hindi, that is the first letter you have to guess and choose. Question number 7. प्लस ई की मात्रा से कौन सा वर्ण बनता है? What letter is formed by क plus ई की मात्रा? We have learned this to the क barakari. Select the correct option. Question number 8. And children, if you have finished, write in chat box, finished ma'am or submitted ma'am. After finishing all the questions, okay? Number 8. अंतस्थ व्यंजन का सही क्रम.
Ma'am, I finished, ma'am.
Okay, unmute yourself, dear. Mute yourself, okay? अंतस्थ व्यंजन का सही क्रम बताइए. What is the correct sequence of अंतस्थ व्यंजन? Ninth question. व्यंजन का 5वां वर्ग कौन सा है? Which is the 5th वर्ग of व्यंजन? Three options, you have to choose correct one. Tenth question. नीचे दिया गया चित्र का पहला अक्षर पहचानिए. Identify the first letter of the picture given below. Tomato picture, you have to choose the Hindi first letter. What we say in Hindi. Choose the correct option. Question number 11. नीचे दिया गया चित्र का पहला अक्षर पहचानिए. Identify the first letter of the picture given below. The picture of medicine. What we say in medicine and Hindi, you all know. Choose the correct option. The 12th question. नीचे दिया गया चित्र का पहला अक्षर पहचानिए. Identify the first letter of the picture given below. The picture of fruit. What we say in Hindi, you all know. Choose the correct option. Question number 13. क प्लस उ की मात्रा से कौन सा वर्ण बनता है? What letter is formed by क plus u की मात्रा? There are 3 options. Choose the correct one. Question number 14. खाली स्थान भरिए. That means fill in the blank. T, H, dash, dash, N. Which 2 letters come in between? 3 options are there. Choose the correct one. And the last question. खाली स्थान भरिए. Fill in the blank. क, का, की, कु, कृ, dash, dash, को, कौ, कम, कहा. Which 2 letters comes in that dash? You have to fill. After finishing all 15 questions, only you have to submit. Otherwise, you can't submit. If you are not finished all the 15 questions, it can't be submitted. If you have done, write in your chat box that you have done or submitted. Children, please don't write the answers in chat box, okay? This is the revision test. Practice for the all these things for the assessment. And whatever PPT we have sent, practice for all the PPT also. We will send this link on your WhatsApp group. If you have not done, finish it before 12 o'clock. If you have any doubts, you have more 2 minutes, you can ask. Very good, children. I'm very happy with the class that you have finished here. Yes, Hari Hamal. Yes. Do you have any doubts?
Ma'am, your voice is Ma'am, class is over.
Children, mute yourself. Mute. If everyone is talking together, how can I hear? We have 1 minute only. If you have any doubt, then only ask. After 1 minute, we will end this session. Okay, I'm very happy with your all project. Practice for introducing yourself.
Very good. Thank you.
Thank you so much for practicing.